Okay, this is a video on how to use a Ubuntu live CD to remove a virus. This particular virus type is a advirus. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to go and infect your system, and you'll see what happens when I do that. Oh no. Oh no, look at all those things that I have on a computer that's never been online. A good thing to watch is if you have a program that scans your computer in less than a minute, it's a fake program. Real virus programs take sometimes hours to complete because of the thoroughness of them. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to go in. Oh no, look at that. Continue unprotected. Okay, well, let's try and do something constructive. Oh, it's blocking the that computer. Okay, well, I'm gonna close out. Oh, another thing. That's no good. Okay, well, let's try and watch a movie. Oh no, Windows Media Player has a worm. Look at that. Okay, well, let's try and put in my favorite screensaver. Oh, that didn't like that either. Oh no, this is no good. Oh, my computer must be really infected. Look at that. Okay, now the reason why you cannot delete this program also is because it's running in the background, which means it's in use. First step you're going to need to do is find out where the program is, and usually they make a shortcut. All you do is hover over the shortcut and write down this text right here. Okay. After you've written down the text, you can go ahead and shut down your computer. I'll show you why you can't remove it. We're going to do a delete, and watch what happens when you try and delete the program. It'll say cannot delete, and you'll see it just pop up very quick. Oh no, get off my screen. So you cannot delete. Access is denied. Okay, well, let's go ahead and turn off the computer. You cannot use standby or hibernate. You must shut down your computer completely in order to get Ubuntu to run correctly. And we're going to be shutting down the computer completely. Okay. Now the reason why you cannot remove this program using a typical antivirus program is because it does not contain malicious script in the way an antivirus program seeks out malicious script. So we're gonna put in our live CD, let the computer boot up into Ubuntu. I'll continue with a malicious script talk. Most antivirus programs use predetermined malicious script configurations or databases in order to screen out whether a program is good or bad. However, a program like this simply installs itself and auto runs like a regular program does. It's often much more tricky to delete than your typical virus. And it's really annoying because it'll shut down things like Task Manager and other programs that will allow you to stop the processes and delete it through Windows, which means essentially you're screwed either way. If you're going to download the live CD of Ubuntu as well, I recommend you download the x68 or in other words, the 32-bit version. Unless you know whether you have a 32 or 64-bit processor, most 64-bit processors will also run a 32-bit operating system. This is what I have right now running. I have a 32-bit live CD. We're going to wait for the Ubuntu to load up, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find the problematic program and remove it manually. And this will take some time as well. You can see it's booting off the live disk. And it's continuing to load. It's going to refresh the screen resolutions. You're going to see a quite disturbing image right there. Right? And now we have our mouse cursor. It's at the full resolution of the screen now, so I don't know if you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. If you can't, I am very sorry about that. Just try and follow along as best as I can. as I describe how to do this. In the meantime, as this is loading, I'm going to run with the goofy mouse. That's a refreshing startup sound, by the way. At least I think it is. Alright, we're going to wait for the system to fully boot up, which will take a couple of seconds, 2 minutes, to how fast your operating system is. Continuing to load up. And then what we're going to do, you'll notice up in the top corner right here, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a tab right here. It's the second one. It says Places. You're going to want to click that. You can kind of see it now. And you're going to want to open up the drive and directory that the virus is on. So let's go ahead and open up that one right here. It's going to mount the device. Now it will not mount the device with a hibernation flag on it or an improper shutdown. So you got to make sure you properly shut down your computer. Okay, the location was Documents and Settings, All Users, Applications Data, and there you go. There's the virus. So what we're going to do is we're going to move to the trash. It'll ask me if you want to delete it. You delete it. Simple as that. Then you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shut down your computer to Ubuntu. Shut down. And this will shut down your computer. It'll also remind you to remove the CD before you restart your computer. You'll see right down in the corner. And press enter when you're ready, and the computer shuts down. Okay, restart your computer, and then wait for Windows to come up. I do recommend just loading, or downloading the live CD, simply because it does save you a lot of problems in the future, especially with viruses and stuff that are difficult to remove. Also has a bunch of free applications and stuff, and it bypasses things like the Windows security and stuff. So if you have lost files on a machine and you can't access them through Windows, you can most likely access them through Ubuntu. Okay, notice the virus is no longer popping up. That's my link says. The virus is not popping up. What you do is then simply remove the shortcuts that it has made. Delete. And you'll notice your icons are all back as well. And then you just go and reset your desktop background. So let's put up a picture to the desktop background. Boom. Your computer's fixed. No more viruses. Nothing. And that is how you remove a virus manually off your computer using a Ubuntu Live CD. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please ask me, comment, or send me a message. And this is it. I hope this helped, and I hope that some of the information also helps prevent you from downloading one of these viruses in the first place.